Hi Click Designers! Would you like to see how fast we can make a worksheet for meal planning and exercises, just like what you see here on the screen? In this video, I'll show you how quickly we can do this using ClickDesigns done-for-you sheet templates. Let's get started! After logging into my ClickDesigns account, I will click on Templates, and then I'm going to click on the Sheets category right here. Once done, I will focus on the Worksheets submenu or subcategory. I think I want to use this template, so I'm going to click on Preview. It looks good, so I'm going to click on Use Template and type in my design title, then click on Continue. I'll then click the template. After that, I'll click on Edit. This will bring me to the canvas. I'm going to zoom it out a little bit so that I can see all the elements right here. First, I'd like to change the background of my worksheet. So from pink, I want to make it a little bit bluish. Then I am going to make this font and this headline a little bit smaller because eventually I'm going to edit this and replace the copy and the font. But next, I will be uploading my own logo, which I have created using the ClickDesigns automated logo generator and the templates. So basically, I will add this logo and then I'm going to make it a little bit smaller and put it on top. Then let's change the font style and also the copy of this headline. So we are going to make it workout and meals, bold the font and center them horizontally. And then we are going to change the color of our font to make sure it matches our theme, which is black and a little bit light blue. Let's remove one set of boxes here below, and then let's highlight all the boxes here on top so that we can move the boxes downwards. Now we can add our subheadline. Let's tick this text box and then duplicate that so that we can write and paste our new content right here. Then we will type it and customize the font style and also the type. Aside from that, we are going to center it as well and adjust the size too. After doing so, we are going to add a shape. We are going to stretch that rectangle and we are going to send it backwards so that our font will be in front or our text will be in front. And then we are going to adjust the letter spacing of this font so that it fills our shape. And then let's put it here on the center and make it a little bit smaller so that it fits our shape. We then customize the shape color and also the font color right after that so that they match. Let's make the shape light blue and then let's make the font white. Moving on, we can also customize the rest of the font here and the rest of the copy here in this worksheet. So let's select everything. Let's update the font style of this one for exercise, make it a little bit smaller. So just to make sure that everything is centered. And then here also for goals, we are going to do the same thing that we did earlier. Make sure the fonts are the same and make sure that everything is centered. We can now change the background color of this column here of the shape. So let's make it from blue to black so that we have a contrast, and we're going to do the same thing on the second column. Since this is also going to be our meal planner, we are going to change the second column's text from goals to meals, and then we are going to ensure that it is aligned correctly and in the center. Let's now take the text layer for the days of our workout planner, and then let's update the font as well. And we are going to do the same things for the rest of the days here on our worksheet. Once we are done correctly formatting and aligning the days of our workout and meal planner, now it's time to spice this design up a little bit by adding some shapes. So let's click on some abstract shapes right here. Let's make the shape bigger, drag it to the upper left-hand corner of our worksheet and change the color of the shape. Right after that, let's click on that shape and then let's duplicate it and then let's drag it here on the lower right-hand corner. Then let's send it backwards so that the boxes are seen instead of the abstract shape. Let's pull it a little bit downwards. There you go. Then let's go back to our shapes library and let's select another shape that we can add. Let's get this with the curved lines and add it here on the upper right as well. And let's select another one that we can add here on the lower left side. Once we are done with the adjustments and centering everything and the positioning, let's click on Preview to see if we are good with how it looks like. Once we're happy and once we're satisfied with what we see, we can click on Exit. Let's click on Save and Exit, and then tick the Export button. You can select which file type you would like to download, and then once done, you can click on Export. That's how you can effortlessly customize your own worksheet for meal planning and exercises using the done-for-you sheet template of ClickDesigns. Go ahead and make one yourself. Happy click designing!